I'm sitting in the rear wheel opening. I have a bit of a problem with grinding my seam here. I welded this. Now I'm trying to weld the backside so it's all smooth like this. When I get to here, and I can't fit my grinder in there, but I have to grind the backside. So I'm just going to show you what I do in a situation like that. Alright, here we are. My issue is this part of the grinder is too long to get into an edge. So what I do, I take one of these, and I find an old zip disc. I center it, get myself a good pair of scissors, cut the outside of that off, wherever that may be. Actually, I'll do it right now. It's actually pretty easy to follow to get the heel of your snip on that disc. Stays pretty close. It doesn't have to be 100%. So all you have to do is grind it against something with the edge, and it'll make it nice and round. Physics is pretty cool. So yeah, you could use an inline belt sander. That would take forever, and you couldn't see what you're doing. I wouldn't have the control with it. So there. I've cut that off. It looks a little bit of a tip there. So now I gotta go do this. And it's not a very high speed tool, so just gotta find my center. There it is. Alright, I'll show you how it's working. Alright, so now we've got the disc here. If it's a little bit wobbly, you can make it round. If you have this, you can use the edge of a table. This works just fine. So that's going to happen. Nice clean edge, relatively straight, good enough for what I'm doing right now. Let's go give it a shot. I'll show you how it works. All right, now we've switched that around. It's supposed to be that. I use that to fasten that. So the issue, grinder doesn't fit. It's supposed to sit this way to grind the back side of this, so it's a tight spot. So anytime you have a spot where you got less than an inch, you can never get in there with something like this. And this is one of the shorter tools to get. You could use that. Belts are expensive, takes forever, and then if you grind it down like that, then you got highs and lows. Where on a grinding disc you got two edges, so you can play your flat. Physics is gonna guarantee that it's straight. All right, let's try it out. A little high spot there, works great. There you go, quick little tip, and I can't stress enough for all you people that already know, no such thing as a steady hand. You always have to rest yourself when it comes to welding and grinding. So anytime you can make a point where you can hold, it takes this. This is hard to do. This. Anytime you can touch or brace yourself at all, that's the key. You got 2 points on the disc, so You keep it flat, physics is going to make you look good. Right on. We got that all ground up. I hope that little tip helped you, because it sure helped me. If you know anything about these old cars, first thing people do is they put their hand under there and see if it's smooth. If it's not smooth, they immediately think it's full of mud. So this sure makes everything smooth as glass. Real pro-like. So there's your pro tip of the day. I hope it helped you, because it sure helped me. All right.